Well, hello there everybody. It's the new year and I've just been sorting through the vegetables and looking what I don't need to use for the weekend, but what needs to be used up, and I thought, I know, I'll make a quick and easy winter warming soup. So here we have a swede, a couple of parsnips, they'll give it a bit of sweetness, a couple of peppers, a red onion, a leek, a vegetable stock cube, a tin of tomatoes, some chilli powder, which is why it's the winter warmer, and seasoning, salt and black pepper. So we shall crack on. Slice up your leek as you can see me doing here. Peel and then slice your onion. Into a pan, add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Turn on the heat and add your onions and leeks. Now these need to be slowly sautéed so that they brown a little bit. Peel and then roughly chop your parsnips. Remove the seeds and roughly chop a yellow pepper. Finally, peel and cut up half of a swede. When your leeks and onions have started to soften a little bit and brown, it's time to add the rest of the vegetables. Now, I've roughly chopped these because I'm going to be using a blender at the end, but if you haven't got a blender, then just cut your vegetables a lot smaller. There really are no rules when it comes to this kind of meal. Snack, I don't know, party meal, let's call it, shall we? So that's all nicely mixed in. Now, to our vegetables, we add our tin of tomatoes. Now what I would do is just add some water to the inside of the tin and swill it around because you don't want to lose any of the juice. Okay, as you can see, we've got a boil going here. So now I add 500 millilitres of the vegetable stock, which is just boiling water and the vegetable stock cube. It's about a pint in Imperial. Season it with some salt. I don't put too much in because you can add that afterwards and everybody's has different taste. And this is where the winter warmer comes in. About half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Less if you don't like it so spicy, more if you want it more heat. Okay, now that can just simmer with the lid on for, I guess, about half an hour. We'll come back and have a look. It's really until the vegetables are nice and soft. And it's as easy as that. Okay. This is a little bit more than a simmer, but I've turned it down again. So now we just need to see whether the vegetables are all cooked. Now the best one to try it with, really, are the swede, if you can find any, which is nice and soft, or the parsnip, because they were the harder of the vegetables. So that's all cooked now, that's ready, so I'm going to leave it to cool a little bit and then I'll come back to it with a hand blender. But as I say, if you haven't got a hand blender, then just cut your vegetables up very thinly. It'll just be a different type of winter warmer. So here we have it, quick and easy winter warming soup, and it took about half an hour to prepare and cook, so that's not bad, is it? And I shall... Okay, now we're just ready to serve up. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.